They put in a brand new skylight in our bathroom upstairs. This was a replacement. They did a fabulous job on it. You know, we realized it wasn't the biggest job in the world, but in the same token, they treated us like it was. They didn't put us off. I can't say enough about them.
We are talking today with mega customer Jan Hoffer.
The last time they were here, they were plugging up woodpecker holes. The nice thing about these guys is that they will take on some small jobs. I mean, we don't have anything big right now, but they're always very courteous and caring, and when they do the job, they do a great job, and they're, you know, no job is, I don't think, is too small for them in terms of, you know, just taking care of their clients. We'd recommend them anytime to anybody.
One mega call does it all.
847-658-8989. 847-658-8989.
Megapros.com.
One mega call does it all.